very powerful. Sarpata, what do you think?
This is definitely the hardest choice we have had to make today, but I do think that when you choose first come, first serve, you are letting to chance, and you are actually choosing to save less lives. So it takes a lot of courage, but when we choose to save the biggest amount of lives possible, you have to choose to give the treatment to those who have the biggest chance of survival. So I would go for that, understanding that it's a very, very hard choice.
Who disagrees? Tommaso in Italy.
I always a difficult choice. I totally agree with the idea that should be before take care of younger people, because we are a national universal health system paid by taxes. Usually older people are the ones that are paying more. They have put their money with their work to build that. So they are the really owner of it. And now that they need it, maybe the first time in their life, we didn't have a good access to them. That's absurd.
So it's absurd. Morally absurd, you would say.
Yes, exactly.
So, Tommaso, you would decide, given the shortage of ventilators, you would not take age into account or even chance of survival. You would simply care for those who arrived first?
I believe that it's not the best possible choice, but it's the better choice.
It's the least bad choice under the circumstances, you would say.
Exactly.
Axel, from Norway.
First to the contribution argument, so I think that's powerful. It's a powerful argument that the old people have contributed to the system and therefore deserve some kind of support back. But it seems like an implication of that view seems to be like young people, babies, like shouldn't get any support because they haven't contributed yet. So that seems to be like a crucial flaw of the argument. And then second to the argument that you should give priority to people that can survive, have a higher likelihood of surviving. And it seems to me that you can give, like, say, someone has like 10% surviving a treatment, and then you have someone that has like 90% surviving. And it seems to me that if you just like say, well, we're just going to give to first come, first serve, then you are in effect giving person with 10%. And if you have many people with 10%, you seem like you prioritize that one life over 10 other lives or 9 other lives. There seems to be, I would say, even like a perverse priority that you give the same priority to 1 over 9 lives.
So how would you do it, Axel?
I think I would give priority to people that actually can survive the treatment, so the higher likelihood of surviving, they would get priority, but also I think age is a bit more difficult. If you care about their life years, if you